Kaya kailangan nating makita yung Israel is because Israel is at the center of everything that's happening and that's going to happen. Ang pinapakita nito, si Lord kasi ang gumawa ng covenant with Israel. So, lahat ng mangyayari sa Israel will prove yung mga pangako, yung mga nabanggit sa Biblia patungkol dun sa relasyon na yun ng ating Panginoon. And many times when we look at Israel, we don't only see Israel as a nation, we should also see Israel as an example of our own lives. Tayo rin by grace tayo hinugot from nothing. 'Di ba? Tayo rin matigas ang ulo. We keep on failing the Lord kahit na ilang beses na siyang nagpatawad. And tayo rin merong purpose kung bakit niya tayo tuluyang nire-redeem at nire-redeem. Pinipilit niya tayong tanggalin from the darkness, 'di ba? So, in the same manner that God treated Israel, yun ay picture ng kung paano rin niya tayo minamahal. So, we should appreciate what's happening in Israel and we should think about our own lives and our own relationship with God when we do so.